Hi, I am in Lukacs right now, and unfortunately, the groundwater has reached already the entrance of the bath, and I'm going to show you that when I'm going out. Otherwise, it's a beautiful sunny day, and we all hope and pray for that the flood is not going to reach the highest level. This is my favorite part, one of my favorite part of the Lukacs. It's very good to working out. And here's the water. Not too many people today. And as you know, probably that this is as well a hospital for orthopedical people. Yeah. Actually, I'm checking if it's possible to see from here. No, it's right behind that wall. This water damage is coming from the underground, the water. And I talked to the guy here from Lukacs that he said that they are praying as well that it's not coming more water, because then they have to close, and then it will be closed for many weeks. So here is the groundwater by Lukacs bath. It's already coming, so that's why we hope that tonight it really stops flooding the Danube. I think this is the pump here, because the guy said to me in Lukacs bath that the pump are working very good in Lukacs, so that's why they can still be open, but still said that let's hope it's not raising the water anymore. So I think this one has to do with the flood. Otherwise, it's a beautiful building and area. It's very relaxing, and if you don't know, then it's worth to come at least once to check it out. So here I'm going with my bike now across the road, and I have to be very careful because there are no lamps. I think they just switched it off completely in case of any kind of danger. No lamps. So here we can see the actual height of the Danube. Today is Saturday, and in the news they said that Saturday evening will be the highest point. It will reach the Danube highest point on Saturday evening. So we will see here by Margaret Bridge. This is close to Margaret Bridge. Here is the Margaret Bridge, as you can see. And still, I think, it's like 2 meter. It's 1.5. It's 1.5, and then it's coming out, or even less down there. So here, let's hope. Oh my God, let's hope. I heard that on the countryside, there are cities which are completely Kisorosi, completely closed down, because it's also next to Danube, and on the countryside, lots of places are already flooded. So this is also where the Héb station is, and by Margaret Bridge, close next to the Buda side. So already this high. Children are playing. Everybody is filming and making pictures. Oh my God. Here is almost like, oh my God, this is like 1 meter, and that's it. I don't think I've never seen it this high, but it was in 2013. This water was crossing this wall here and was coming down, or all the way where the tram is going here by Margaret Bridge. So if it stops here, then we are so lucky. Yeah. And thanks God there is no more rain. This is the Margaret Island on the other side. I show you a little bit. Oh, here, Héb again. The good old Héb hasn't changed in 50 years, something like this. Okay, so the Danube is so high. Oh my God. Here is for doggies. This place, and look at that, unbelievable. It's very close. There is Margaret Island still. Looks like I'm only going this way all the time. Oh, there's an airplane, you see it? Very high. Yeah, and then here no more bicycle road, because the Danube, as you can see, then there is already out, so I have to choose the